Okay. Let's start with the first problem. You read it as 565 plus 325. Okay, so remember the first thing you're going to do is start in the ones place. Okay? So this is right here. Let me come around this way, sorry. This is your ones place, tens place, and hundreds place, right? Okay, and we always want to start with our ones place. We're going to go from right to left. So we're going to go from our ones place, then add in our tens place, and add in our hundreds place. Okay, so I'm going to let you work on that. 5 plus 5. Good. Good. Very good. Okay, so can you tell the class what you did with this problem?
Okay.
How did you get your answer?
So 5 plus 5 equals 10. So I carried the 1 up here.
Mm-hmm.
And I added all these 3 numbers and it got 9.
Good. And then what else?
That's really it.
That's it? So how did you get this number here, 8, if that was it?
I added the 5 with the 3 and then it got 8.
Good. Okay, so you add your ones place, and in this case, because this is 10, she had to carry the 1 here. Okay, we can't put 10 down here. We have to carry that 1 over to the tens place, and from the tens place, we're going to add up all 3 of those numbers. Okay?
If I added like 10, it would be like thousands then.
Exactly. So 6 plus 1 is 7, plus another 2 is 9. And then here, because we didn't have to carry this over, because this wasn't a number greater than 9, we were able to just go right on over to the hundreds place and add that 5 plus 3, which is 8. Okay, great. Go ahead and do the second problem.
So, this time,
Very good. Very good. Again, same kind of similar problem like last time. But this one here is 8 plus 2. Again, get us 10. Put the 0 there. Carry the 1. 4 and 3 is what?
4 and 3. Well, that would make 7.
Good.
But we have the 1 and we're adding it to the 7.
Good. So that gets you 8. And then 4 plus 2 is 6. Awesome work. All right, guys. That's it for today's video. Remember to keep solving, keep shining, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.
Bye.